Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that wheel, looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any rash or any flaws there. Got the 37s. These are mud terrain master tracks. They look amazing. All of this is really clean in here. Rough country. Looking at that fender, looks amazing. Looks like they vinyl wrapped the top gloss black. Got a little marking right there. Otherwise, the mirror looks amazing. You're gonna have a few rock chips here. There's a little bit larger one. Got the power deploy steps. Got the cameras all around, 360. The rest of that door looks good. Door edge is clean. The rest of that door looks nice. That trim looks good. Yeah, this is a vinyl. It does have some swirls from just kind of everyday washing. You got a little PPF here, and it has a couple rock chips. And then you have a really large one right here. And there's also some film there trying to protect it, but that one looked like it went through. And then you have a kind of a chip or a gash there. The rest of that bed looks good. Tires look amazing. That wheel looks really good. Taillights are clean. Taking away the bumper. Looks really nice. Got some chips there. The rest of that looks good. Wheels amazing. Got the typical swirls here, like I said, on that gloss black wrap. That door looks nice. That door looks good. Couple rock chips there. The rest of that's clean. And that wheel looks good. Scanning the hood edge. That looks really, really clean. There's a rock chip there. There might be a few more, but nothing's really standing out. You got a little one there. Nothing's really standing out that's more than just that. Just a couple tiny, tiny rock chips. Otherwise, she is an absolute beauty. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. All those buttons look amazing. Got the telescoping side mirrors, it looks like. Memory seating. Alcantara here looks good. All of that's perfect. Got the all-weather mats. That bolster looks really nice. Tiny little frayed spot right there in the cloth. The rest of that seat, though, looks brand new. The steering wheel has that matte finish to it. All of that looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. Got the massive screen. I mean, this is pretty much a brand new truck. There's really not much to pick apart in here. That door panel looks good. Got the all-weather mats all the way across. I don't see any flaws on the seats. You have really, really dark tint here. Looks good. Heated seats. Got the 115 volt outlet there, 2 USB-Cs and the USB ports. That door panel looks good. All weather mats are clean. Seats are absolutely perfect. I mean, all of this looks brand new. Brand new with a bunch of awesome upgrades. That door panel looks good. All the trim is nice and clean. All weather mats are perfect. No issues with the seats. They look really, really nice. Just scanning through the engine bay here. Looks really good. All right, we're going on a quick test drive. We got 3,241 miles. We do have a low tire light, but it is 20 something degrees outside right now, so I imagine it just dropped a little bit overnight. As far as interior and exterior goes on this truck, it is really, really clean. A couple little rock chips because it's got the big aggressive tires, but other than that, she looks perfect. Any of the flickering you see here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Steering wheel is slightly off center there. You can see it's a little crooked, but the truck is driving perfectly straight. The wheel doesn't shake or anything like that though. It's just slightly off center. We're gonna go down some bumpy roads here. So far this drive's really, really nice. Yeah, that suspension feels really good. You have very, very dark window tint here. Looks like 5% on the back and the sides. And then you have the 5% eyebrow here. Really no complaints with the drivability. Get this wheel straightened out and she'll be perfect. And then ignore that flickering. That's just in camera, not in person.